Hello there, welcome you back to Home Food channel. And a Waakye stew na called boss. Let's go prepare Ghana Waakye stew. I have onion, ginger, garlic. Then I have oil, tomato paste. I have salt, pepper, shrimp powder, and then paprika. Then I have some fish, fresh tomatoes. Then I'm gonna add some meat. I'm just adding some diced onion. Then I have some spice, paprika, garlic, and then ginger. Salt to taste. Add water. Stir and then cover to cook. Yeah, it's almost done. When it's done, you're going to fry this so you can bake it in your oven. So the meat is done. Let's go ahead and fry this before we start the stew. You can have a taste if you like. So the oil is heated and then I'm adding all the meat. Then fry it to golden brown or what color you want to go for. Then we start preparing the stew. So with the same oil, I just added my sliced onions. And I'm going to fry this for 7 minutes before I add other ingredients. So with today's recipe, I'm using 3 onions. So I slice one, that is what I'm frying. And then I blend one with the ginger and then the garlic. And then the other one I blend with the tomatoes. To the stew that is on the fire, then give it a stir. So at this point, I'm adding my pepper and then paprika. Then I'm adding the meat stock, which we got from the meat that we cooked earlier on. Hey, what do we say? Why won't you add everything? No. When cooking food, you need to give it a time. Everything must be step by step to get a perfect, recipe that you are making it. Let everything be step by step. So I used 2 cups of oil to make this stew cook faster. And when the stew is done, you can skim the oil that comes on top. I just added some shrimp powder to add more flavor. And then this is what I'm gonna do with the fish. I'm gonna fry this in the air fryer. I just added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I have paprika, onion powder, and then garlic powder. Then I rub everything. Then let's go fry this out in the air fryer. So the meat is done, as you can see on the other side. And then I'm just taking off the oil that come on top of the stew. And then we add the fish and then the meat. Thank you all and keep on watching Home Sweet Food. Ejianepa eyede. Senior baby, I make a share or not. Don't forget to like this video for me if you like what I did today and share with your loved ones. So we meet in another video, guys. I love you all for the support. God bless you